Projects in QuickBooks Online Plus or higher provide job costing features to help you track income and expenses for projects you complete for customers. Projects allow you to see this information in a single location to track income and expenses by project and run project reports. To enable projects in your company files settings in QuickBooks Online if needed, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then select the Account and Settings command under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open the Settings window. Then click the Advanced button in the menu at the left side of the window. Then click the Projects section to the right to activate its settings. Click the Organize All Job-Related Activity in One Place toggle switch to set it to the On position, and then click the Save button at the bottom of the section to save your change. Then click the Done button at the bottom of the settings window to close it. To view your projects in QuickBooks Online Plus or higher, click the Projects link under the Projects app in the All Apps bar to open the Projects page. To create a new project, click the New Project button in the upper right corner of the page. After you create a new project, the New Project pane appears at the right side of the window. Type a name for the project into the Project Name field. Select the name of the project's customer from the Customer dropdown, which should then add the customer's email to the email field if you entered it. If not, or to use a separate project email, enter the email address into the email field. Optionally, to set the project's start date and end date, select choices from the Start Date and End Date calendar drop-down fields. To set the status of the project, choose a status from the Project Status drop-down. If desired, type any notes or a description of the project into the Notes field. To add project addresses, click the Addresses for this project toggle switch to enable it. Doing this then fills in the selected customer's billing address and shipping address if you entered those when you created the customer. If you didn't, or you need to change these addresses for the project, enter the addresses as needed. Then, click the Save button at the bottom of the pane. At that point, the details page for the selected project appears. If desired to return to the main listing of projects, click the All Projects link in the upper left corner of the Project's Details page. The Details page for the project shows the project's name, customer, and status in the upper left corner of the page. Below that, on the Overview tab, are widgets for income versus cost, profit margin, open invoices, and overdue invoices. The upper right corner of the project's Details page contains an Edit button and an Add to Project drop-down button. To edit the project's details if needed, click the Edit button. To add transactions to this project to track its income and expenses, click the Add to Project drop-down button, and then select the type of transaction to add. To view associated project information, click the related tab named Overview, Transactions, Time Activity, Project Reports, Project Details, and Attachments to then show that information in the Project's Details page. If needed, to return to the main Projects page, you can also click the Projects link under the Projects app in the All Apps bar. The Projects page lets you create and manage all your projects, which appear in a projects list within this page. To filter the projects list, select Filtering Choices from the drop-downs above the list. To find a project, type the value to find into the Search for Project field to the right of the filtering buttons, and then select the name of a matching project from the list that then appears below the field. To sort the projects by project name, start date, end date, or status. Click the desired column's heading in the project's list. The column by which you are currently sorting shows an arrow pointing up or down, indicating an ascending or descending sort order is applied to that column's values. To reverse the current column's sort order, click its column heading again. To pin a project to the top of the projects list so it always appears there regardless of sorting, click the star icon to the left of the project name. To unpin a pinned project, click its star icon again. To perform an action on a project, click the Options button under its Action column. Then select either the Edit this project, Mark as not started, Mark as in progress, Mark as completed, Mark as canceled, or Delete project command as needed. To change the display of the project list, click the Settings button in the upper right corner of the list to show a drop-down menu. To show or hide columns, then check or uncheck the column names under the Edit Columns section in this drop-down menu. To show deleted projects in the projects list, check the Show Deleted Projects checkbox under the Other heading in the drop-down menu. To print the projects list, click the Print List button in the upper right corner of the list to open a printer-friendly version of the list in a separate browser window or tab, and also open your web browser's Print dialog box. Then set the print settings and print it using your web browser's Print dialog box, and close the new page or tab that opened. To export the projects list in QuickBooks Online to Excel, click the Export to Excel button. To set the hourly cost rate for employees you created, click the Manage Settings dropdown at the top of the Projects page, and then select the Set Cost Rate command to show an employee cost rate window. Your employees then appear in a list within this window, and their payroll pay rate information appears if available. You can edit the pay rate information for any employee's columns as needed. To save the changes when finished, click the Save button or the Save and Close button in the lower right corner of the window. Alternatively, to cancel your changes, click the Cancel button. If transitioning to projects after using sub-customers for projects in QuickBooks Online, or if importing jobs from QuickBooks Desktop, note that you can convert an existing sub-customer into a project if desired. To convert a sub-customer into a project, click the drop-down part of the New Project button in the upper right corner of the main Projects page. Then select the Convert from Sub-Customer command from the drop-down menu to open a Convert Sub-Customers to Projects window. In this window, check the checkbox next to the name or names of the sub-customers to convert, or click the checkbox at the top of the list to select them all. Then select each project's status from the far right drop-down. Then, click the Convert button in the lower right corner of the window. Then, click the Continue button in the confirmation window to continue the one-time process of converting them into projects, or click the Cancel button to cancel the process. Then click the OK button in the confirmation window that appears after the conversion finishes. If you don't see the project after conversion, use the Status filter drop-down above the projects list to select all statuses, as the project may be imported as a completed project. Then edit the project as needed. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.